We have just driven, we're about 15-20 minutes from the hotel. We've come up into the jungle and we have arrived at Wang Sao Tong waterfall. The reason we stopped here, to be honest with you, because I was absolutely bursting for a piss, and there's a little car park with a little man in a hut that lets you park your bike for 20 baht, 50p, and I used his toilet, and there's a fattest spider hanging in the toilet, so I did it as quick as I could. So we're like in the middle of the jungle. Yeah, let's walk quick because fucking snakes and shit are worrying me. I did ask him whether there's any snakes and fucking get a move on, love. Get a move on, don't hang about. I did ask him whether there's any snakes and he said no, but no. Yeah, there's a fat spider in the toilet. We are going the right way, apparently. Oh. Gonna double check with this geezer. There's no snakes, no? No snake, yeah. You sure? Yeah, sure. Trekking through the jungle. If this is my last video message to you, Mum, I love you. We are well prepared for this jungle excursion with shorts and flip-flops on, but it's warm as balls, so we've got our own personal tour guide here teaching us the way. Teaching us the way. Can hear the waterfall traipsing through the jungle. Yeah, I'm good. You sure no snakes? Definitely no snakes. He keeps assuring me there's no snakes, but I'm fucking certain that there's some in there. Treacherous terrain. You be careful down there. God, what's on my head?
Nothing.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh, got something on my head. Heavens, I was not expecting this. Where the fucking hell are we going here? Oh, Captain Cab. What's your name?
Bob.
Bob?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Bob. I'm over. Bob's on it. Bob's got his Havaianas on, so we're good. This is it. The waterfall, or one of them I believe. And Bob's just asked us if we want to go for a swim. Not really got swimming gear on. We are literally in the middle of the rainforest, I believe. In the middle of the jungle, that's for sure. It's a good job we got Captain Bob with us.
Watch your head.
Oh, watch your head. Be careful. Captain Bob. It is beautiful.
Where you going? Down there, yeah? Waterfall, yeah?
Yeah? If we didn't have enough mosquito bites already, we'll have a few more after this. It's sweaty in here. Made it to waterfall number 2 now. Beautiful. Very nice. It's very clean. The water is clean. Beautiful. I'll tell you what, it's a good job we had Captain Bob. Thank you. Got that bead on. Okay now. Wasn't quite expecting that, but we've made it so far. And back up. Yeah, I don't think this is Bob's job, but I think maybe he just lingers in the bush and waits for tourists to come and shows them where to go. So I'm going to give him some cash. To be honest, hit my head. Without Captain Bob, we would have struggled here. At least we're back basically to where we started now.
Yeah.
It was hot in there.
Humid.
Very humid. And it is literally like the jungle. Captain Bob,
Thank you.
thank you, my man.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Like Tarzan.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, thank you, mate. You take care. You know, he doesn't even work here. He's just some bloke who lives in the forest who thinks, right, I can make a few quid here out of dickheads, thinking that they can walk through this to go see some waterfalls. But hey, he made our life easy, didn't he? How much I give him? £1.50.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Anyway, there we are. End of the jungle adventure.
Oh, my back's really
I
sweating.
know, I'm sweating like
Oh
a...
my god.
Right, end of the jungle adventure. Back on the ped and headed back to the hotel. See you in a bit.